Good day, my name's Sean Huddleston. In my book, I've got a story about where I worked near Bolivia. I was in Argentina, and I had such a privilege of flying an old Alouette 2 helicopter, which was a 5-seater. And I'd work with a company in 1980 that was looking for oil, because after the Israeli wars, the oil price had gone up. And so it was convenient for the Argentines to employ South African military trained pilots. And one day, when I had to pick up a load to move people in the bush area near Bolivia, it was very much jungle area, the workers had tied 2 loads onto 1 load. So I doubled the amount. I could have been killed. So I came over, picked up this load, and as I got speed, suddenly I was jerked. And fortunately, the second load wasn't tied to a tree, and I managed to take over 2 loads. And of course, I had to learn the lingo. And